Hello students, how are you all? I am Naresh Rathore, your social science teacher. So dear students, in the present session we will continue our study. Uh, the chapter 1, the French Revolution. Some contents which are discussed in the previous session and different knowledge has been given about this content or about this chapter to you. So dear students, now we will continue our study with new content and this chapter is continued. Now the content is middle class inventions. Dear students, Rousseau carried the idea forward, proposing a form of government based on a social contract between people and their representatives. Now it is declared that Rousseau, who has written a book, Social Contract, so he has given some ideas for the betterment of the society, and he declared that government that there should be the form of government which is based on a social contract between people and their representatives. So it was the good idea given by Rousseau. And in the second point, in the spirit of the laws, Montesquieu proposed a division of power within the government between the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. This was the idea which was given by the Montesquieu, and he wanted to form the division of power within the government, which was legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. Now the third point is this model of government was put into force in the USA. So it is declared that this type of model was put into force in the USA. So this type of practices was being implemented in USA after the 13 colonies declared their independence from Britain. And as it is already you have been told about Britain and France, because there was some clashes between France and Britain. So France helped 13 American colonies for their independence. So it is said that after the 13 colonies declared their independence from Britain, the American colonies and guarantee of individual rights was an important example for political thinkers in France. So different types of ideas were given by the political thinkers who were working in France and who were giving their ideas for the betterment of the society. And the next point, the news that Louis XVI planned to impose further taxes to be able to meet the expense of the state government, anger and protest against the system of privileges. So this topic is related to the previous content because Louis XVI was the new king in the France. So he wanted to implement some new ideas in the society, and he wanted to impose heavy taxes on the population, but it was not in favor of the betterment of the society. So it is declared that the news that Louis XVI planned to impose further taxes to be able to meet the expenses of the state government. It was the emergence of new social groups in 18th century. Because of this idea, the new social group was emergence in 18th century. The 18th century witnessed the emergence of social groups termed the middle class who earned the wealth through an expanding overseas trade and from the manufacture of goods. So this was the source of income for the middle class people. So dear students, this was the summary of the content, a middle class emergence. So you have to listen this content again and again to get the benefit or to get the proper knowledge about this topic, because this chapter is very important for your examination, and the related work or home assignment will be given to you regarding this topic. So you have to complete your work date wise in your fear notebook.